Studio presents Haile Selassie at Strong. July 23rd celebration of His Imperial Majesty Selassie 130th celebration of Haile Selassie. As I tell you, today is a pure niceness. All the massive, keep watching every time. TV Cameroon for real. Ranking Boy International, they are run things in. Greeting all our people, Jamaica, England, USA, Germany, Amsterdam, Africa. Keep watching every time. Tell your friend to tell your friend. Reggae Vibe Show. Big show in Africa and the world scene. Ranking Boy run things in. Today, I tell you, it's a pure niceness. Think type of thing. Ranking Boy they are saying. Bless it.
Up full. We must get wake up full. Yeah man, a Jackie alongside Acha Ganja. Yeah. Tell them say I love her the answer. Redemption sound. Watch ya. From long time I see my people facing hard times. Out there from long time I see my people facing hard times. Oh well, from long time I see my people facing hard times. Out there from long time I see my people facing hard times. I see them here and Nick house conjoin with lads house and court house. Them a plan to send we a walk house or dead house. You lucky if you go a mad house. Or people still hungry and so much food about. Or people still homeless and enough house about. Why in every poor community them place a crack house, while in every major cities there is a war house. Who there? System designed for we end up a poor house. From long time I see my people facing hard times. Out there from long time I see my people facing hard times. Oh well, me say from long time I see my people facing hard times. Out there from long time I see my people facing hard times.
Yes, Massive, I tell you today, pure niceness in. So check this one and next tune from Ras Attitude. Give Jah everything. Wow, I tell you today is a thing type of thing. Check another tune from Selassie, song called King Selassie. As I tell you today, it's a pure niceness. Ranking Boy International, they are run things in. Oh
Jah, I give thanks and praises for everything you have done for me. Most high. Jah, you bless my soul. So right I know it's getting harder, so hard to get by. Oh me, oh my, I pray, I continually serving Jah humbly, obediently, no matter what I want. I and I faith is strong. Hey, Jah give you my everything, everything, all I've got. I'll continue to hail Him, praise Him, just won't stop, over and over again. Jah keeps blessing me, over and over again, and again and again. I give thanks and I seize for this life I live, yes. Obstacles are gonna come, that's just how it is, yes. Don't let Eden and Sheeden get in your way, in your way. That's why man a chant, yeah. That's why man a chant and pray. I'll give you everything, everything, all I've got, and I'll continue to faithful and never sure.
He's coming from the land of King David, lions tamed and played with, 72 nation crowned and hail him. When you hail him high. divine majesty, King of kings and the Lord of lords, conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Like him there's no other. When you hail him high. Selassie, and me say, oh, wicked vices, yeah. While the enemies sit and watch and talk, the blessing multiply, yeah. History recalling 1966, out of Palace, here does your port. Only if a crowd get around, this little short man, the marks are who that? A King Selassie. Never before has the world seen a king like him. His imperial the world seen a king like him. It's true, check your culture. So true, ask the elders. It's true. Sure. Prophet John Marcus said, look to the east for the coming of a black king. Seen the flashing lightning, watch the wicked frightening. When you hail him, got to hail him high. He let up himself and light up this world. Let to the children, boys and girls, them lust for diamonds and pearls. When you hail him high. Rastafari, I'm on
Yes, massive, I tell you today, think type of thing. Check another tune from Pressure, Basic, King Selassie I Fast, and another tune from Bushman, song called Worries and Problems. Wow, as I tell you today, pure niceness in.
That is ready to be praised, I know. Lift up my eyes to the hills. Who sits up in Mount Zion? King Haile Selassie first, the King of kings, he is the conquering lion. King Haile Selassie first, all praises be to his majesty. King Haile Selassie first, the wonderful counselor is the Prince of Peace. King Haile Selassie first, the Rasta man Jordan, him still Jordan, his own divine majesty still live on. Me tell you, be meek and joy will come in the man. In a Jah army, Jah a chief in a command. No one who was beyond or beneath the earth was worthy. Rastafari govern Harar from the age of 13. Then crown him king of kings in 1930. 72 nation witness this energy. And who is he who sit up in a Mount Zion? King Haile Selassie first, the King of kings, he is the conquering lion. Yeah, King Haile Selassie first, all praises be to his majesty. King Haile Selassie first, the wonderful counselor is the Prince of Peace. Yeah, King Haile Selassie.
Worries and problems once again. Worries and problems. We get to use our way and to survive. But then the system is giving a fight. But now the youth are holding on. Worries and problems. We get to use our way and to survive. But then the system is giving a fight. But now the youth are holding on. Hold on. As far as my eyes can see, the whole world is in devastation. And only thing that they can do, trying to get into my nation. So they come around and just taking new narration. Look at the reaction and the bits that they put to what the paper organization. People see desolation, worries and cry. We get to you. to survive. But then the system is keeping on fight. Now the youths are rolling on, police and crime. Get the youths are working to survive. Then the system is keeping on fight. Now the youths are rolling on. Hold on, the cities can just defeat robbers and thieves. And so many homeless youths got nowhere to sleep. I often see them eating out on road sheets. Yes, and cocaine and smugglers keep on rolling the streets. Red, police and crime. We get to youths and work hard to survive. But then the system is keeping on fight. Now the youths are rolling on, police and crime.
Another tune from Teacher D, song called Emperor Selassie, and another one from Michael Rose, Love King Selassie. As I tell you today, is a big thing, Tapa Ting, Reggae Vibe Show.
Question. Oh, you feel love reggae music and I tell her you no know. Selassie, Haile Selassie. Oh, you feel love reggae music and I tell her you no know. Selassie, Emperor Selassie. Oh, you feel love reggae music and I tell her you no know. Selassie, Haile Selassie. Oh, you feel love reggae music and I tell her you no know. Selassie, Emperor Selassie. Lichtafari, Makonnen, Keramawi, Haile Selassie. The power of the Trinity, His Imperial Majesty. Conquering land of the tribe of Judah, kings of kings, first rightful ruler. Royal blood from Solomon era, we Queen of Sheba. Oh, you are go say you no Leonard Howell. Tell me if a truth or a lie, you are tell, let me ask you. Do you know Prince Emmanuel? Them your questions I'm asking again. Oh, you feel love reggae music and I tell her you no know. Selassie, Haile Selassie. Oh, you feel love reggae music and I tell her you no know. Selassie, Emperor Selassie. Oh, you feel love reggae music and I tell her you no know. Selassie, Haile Selassie. Oh, you feel love reggae music and I tell her you no know.
King Selassie, I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie, red. Oh yeah. I love King Selassie, I gold. I love King Selassie, I green. I'm gay. Said I love everything that is clean. So I say, I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie. He's the only man in flesh who you can't look in the eyes. For the first time I know Jaja, he is so divine. He is calm as a lamb. Black sounds of freedom. Swahili Uro, Uro, Uro. I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie. I love King Selassie.
Ting, Tapa Ting. Check another tune from Andrew Bez featuring Aziz. Love King Selassie. As I tell you today, Ting, Tapa Ting. Another tune from Radil, song called Physical. I tell you today is a pure niceness. Selassie act strong. Zin, so all the massive, keep watching Big Show, Reggae Vibe Show. Oh.
Hi, 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 hi. Hiya, hiya, India. Hi, 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 hi. I love King Selassie. I love Majesty. I love King Selassie. I love Rastafari. Only only just at the pace. Akani angalia, fire upon the devil face. I leave you tembea na mi, kunilinda mi, King Selassie, Rastafari, power of the Trinity, spiritual divinity.
I love King Selassie, I love Majesty, I love King Selassie, I love Rastafari, I love King Selassie, I love Majesty, I love King Selassie, I love.
Na 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 na. Baby, I always wish to see you in my arms in the morning time, and I will always share my joy with you. I really wanna take you to places, make you meet so many different faces, and interact with so many races. Baby girl, you know what the Congo base is. I really wanna make sweet love to you. Roy's gonna turn the gray skies to blue. I really wanna hold you and squeeze you and kiss you, baby. Let's get physical. I really wanna hold you and squeeze you close. Oh baby girl, my love coming at your full force. I am the man, taking off your clothes. So let's get physical, baby. Each time I look in your eyes, you keep I mesmerized. I tell you are the only one in this world for I, and that I can't deny. You're so charming with your smile. Your radiance pull me close all the while. I am Binky man, love you every time. So let's get physical, baby.
Snowboy is an artist from Cameroon, so check this here one nice tune from Snowboy, song called Aero Beau. Wow, it's a big tune. Another tune from I-10, song called Someone to Love. As I tell you today, ting tapa ting, bless it.
Hello, boy, my most precious thing. My love for you is everlasting. Never will it end. It's deep like Atlantic Ocean. It's standing tall like Falcon Mountain. It's flowing like River Mongo. And it's solid as mother rock. My most precious thing. My love for you is everlasting. Never will it end. We are each other's destiny. Nothing will keep us apart. You can always count on me until my well runs dry.
Everybody needs someone, so from the moment I found you, life starts to follow. Cherish the moments, your love is important. With no one above you, that's how much I love you. Remember I told you, I will never desert you, no, no. Just the feeling you bring to my life. So amazing, your beauty is
perfect in front of my eyes. Just loving alone when you touch me, you capture my mind. Baby, me I go love you till the end of time. Everybody needs someone to love. Everybody needs someone to care. Everybody have doubts and affairs, so everybody have moments to share. Everybody needs someone to love. Everybody needs someone to care. Everybody have doubts and affairs, so everybody needs someone.
Boom! Today, pure niceness. So check another tune from Little Arrow. Song called Out of Kingston, and another tune from Challenger, song called Can't Stop I. As I tell you today, ting tapa ting. Boom.
In the heart of Jamaica, Gangsters Record. Sweet home, oh, sweet home. Me live in the heart of Kingston, and I gotta get home. It's only God alone can guide us to the danger zone. I said me live in the heart of Kingston, and I gotta get home. It's only God alone can guide us to the danger zone. Hey, when we sit on the town, I him alone, I protect and guide me. So when you see me, I come, I know me alone, the man they right there beside me. So all the wicked around, man, I fight on the throne, they can't come beside me. Yes, when the trumpet sound, let the wicked go down by the hand of the Almighty. Believe in the heart of Kingston, and I gotta get home. It's only God alone can guide us to the danger zone. So believe in the heart of Kingston, I gotta get home. It's only God alone can guide us to the danger zone.
But if they could have stopped me, they would. They would. They would. Oh, if they could have stopped me, they would. Oh yeah. But if they could have stopped me, they would. They would. They would. Oh, if they could have stopped by, they would. Oh, na 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 na. Hey. Let me tell you something about the youth, yeah. No matter what you say, you couldn't stop that youth, yeah. We have to hustle and grind for a better future. Every ghetto you that feel the same, oh yes, we wish, yeah. We from the ghetto where we come from nothing. Politicians, they ain't doing nothing. I hear them say we wouldn't rise to nothing. They send the police to kill. Father God, he bless my day. Lead me and guide my way. Oh yeah, deliver us today. When things is rough, yo, me go down on my knees. What they want from me? Bad mind and jealousy, fake friends and enemies. I got nothing but they want to take my life. But if they could have stopped me, they would. They would. They would. Oh, if they could have stopped me, they would. Oh yeah. But if they could have stopped me, they would. They would. They would. Oh, if they could have stopped by, they would. Oh, na 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 na. Hey.
Yes, massive, yes, man. Check this one. A nice tune from Paul Ayot, song called Reggae Turn Up. Wow, today's a ting tapa ting. Another tune from Crema. Crema is a King Yellow Man daughter, song called Our Time. Wow, as I tell you, Reggae Vibe Show. Oh.
Yes, the reggae music loud. Turn it up to all the uptown crowd. Turn it up to all the downtown crowd. I wanna see your friends. Reggae music turn up, it turn up. From sundown to sun up, the music turn up, it turn up. Stage show burn up when me run up, the music turn up, it turn up. In a reggae music we turn up, the music turn up, it turn up. From sundown to sun up. Turn up the reggae music, make me feel the vibes. This are the medicine with the doc prescribe. I hit same one, make the vendor survive. Turn it up in a me house and me ride. Reggae music it a food to me, and now it give me the energy. I come on stage and rock the party. I please every turn up. From sundown to sun up, reggae music turn up, it turn up. Stage shop on up when me run up, the team them turn up, it turn up. In a reggae when me turn up, the music turn up, it turn up. From sundown to sun up.
Song called Small Jamaica. As I tell you today, Ting Tapa Ting. Another tune from Queen Omega, song called Fittest. Wow, it's a brand new tune from Queen Omega. Reggae Vibe Show, Bassy tune, Bassy tune.
Whoa, whoa, why? Ooh, la. Oh, yes, ooh, I met a girl this morning. Love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, ooh Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I, yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history, a beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronix is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me, I beg you do for me. And I said, smile, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, hey, smile for me. The fittest of the fittest shall survive. My people, open up your eyes. Wake up, no compromise. Come make we slow the beast in the sky. The fittest of the fittest shall survive. My people, open up your eyes. Wake up, no compromise. Come make we slew the devil in the sky. When iniquity fills up the earth, beyond the God, look out for the worst. Plagues and disasters, mama, she a purge. Lives would be taken, many will be hurt. Precious blood as a shall always be my God. Ticking like a bomb, ready to explode. The fittest of the fittest shall survive. My people, open up your eyes. Wake up, we tired of the lies. Come make we slew the devil in the disguise. The fittest of the fittest shall survive. My people, open up your eyes. Wake up, no compromise. Come make we slew the devil in the disguise.
Samora is an artist from Netherlands, so check this one and next tune from Samora, song called Free Up from Mentally Sin. Another tune from King Yellowman, song called Kiss Me Each Morning. Wow, my queen. Kiss me each morning. Sin. Wow.
Free up yourself from mental slavery. Speak up yourself. What is love if you cannot love yourself? And how to love when you point at someone else? You want to trust till you're not loyal to yourself. You want to change but you're always blaming someone else. The world is perfect, that's all you said yourself. So you're complaining that it is a living hell. Well, life is worth it even though you cannot tell. Who said it would be easy? That's the challenge of the spell. Free up yourself from mental slavery. Pick up yourself and rise up on your victory. Today may be a gift, tomorrow you will wish to witness life again, so value that you do exist. Free up, surrender from your cold rage. Escape the cage you built out of your own hate. Today may be a gift, tomorrow you will wish to witness life again, so value that you do exist.
Yes, massive. Same time, same place. Reggae Vibe Show. Up and running. Ranking Boy International Day. Saying reggae we love, why we defend. Tell your friend. Keep watching every time. A big show in Africa and the world. Reggae Vibe Show. Zin. All the massive. Tell your friend to tell your friend. Zin. Remember. Reggae Vibe Show Festival soon coming in Africa. Zin. All reggae fans worldwide, be ready. As I tell you. Big things are going in Africa. It's a Reggae Vibe Show Festival in Africa. Royal Roots Studio make things happen. Sin big up every time exclusive promoter of Reggae Vibe Show to make Reggae Vibe Show up and running every year and years and forever. Sin Royal Roots Studio, big up every time. Article respect. Ranking Boy love you all. All Cameroon massive, Ranking Boy soon comes in. I love you all my people. Zin, Reggae Vibe Show to the world. Zin, one love people, blessing.